The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to promote weight loss and improve overall health. The diet is based on the principle that by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat intake, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This video will provide a comprehensive overview of the keto diet meal plan, including what foods to eat and avoid, sample meal plans, and tips for success. The cornerstone of the keto diet is the restriction of carbohydrates. While the exact macronutrient ratios can vary depending on the individual, the standard keto diet typically consists of 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. This means that the majority of your daily caloric intake should come from healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts, while limiting your intake of carbohydrates from sources such as bread, pasta, and sugary foods. When it comes to protein, it's important to select lean sources such as fish, poultry, and grass-fed beef. Some dairy products like cheese, heavy cream, and butter are also good for keto diet, but you should limit your intake of high-carb dairy such as milk and yogurt. In addition, you should also be mindful of your vegetable intake, as some vegetables like potatoes, corn, and peas are high in carbohydrates. Instead, opt for low-carb vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. Here's a sample keto diet meal plan for one day. Breakfast: 3-egg omelette with spinach, mushrooms, and feta cheese, served with avocado slices and a side of bacon. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with a side of roasted cauliflower and a green salad with olive oil and vinegar. Dinner: pan-seared salmon with a side of sautéed broccoli and a small portion of roasted nuts. Snacks: hard-boiled eggs, a small portion of berries, and a handful of almonds. It's important to note that the keto diet can be challenging to follow, especially at first. Many people experience keto flu as symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, and nausea during the initial phase of the diet. To alleviate these symptoms, it's important to stay hydrated and consume enough electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium. In addition, it's also important to be mindful of nutrient deficiencies that can occur on a low-carb diet. To ensure that you're getting enough vitamins and minerals, it's important to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet, such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Finally, it's important to remember that the keto diet is not a quick fix, and that it requires a long-term commitment to healthy eating habits. In order to be successful, it's important to make gradual changes to your diet and to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. With the right mindset and approach, the keto diet can be a powerful tool for promoting weight loss and improving overall health. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to promote weight loss and improve overall health. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat intake, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. By following a meal plan like the one outlined above, and being mindful of nutrient deficiencies, staying hydrated and consuming enough electrolytes, anyone can successfully follow the keto diet and reap its many benefits. For more in-depth information, and a complete step-by-step keto plan, see the resource given in the description box of this video. I hope you like this video on keto diet meal plan. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, give us your valuable feedback in the comment box below. Thank you for watching the video.